So this is a MacBook I picked up for $5. It looked to be in pretty bad shape, as it had stickers plastered all over it, as well as, well, mold and all sorts of grime and goo. Charging port was also in a pretty bad shape, so I wanted to clean it before I tested it. So when I started the machine up for the first time, it started beeping, which indicated a RAM issue. So I removed the battery and the 2 RAM sticks, and then I put the 1 RAM module back in. And while that seemed to fix the issue, I noticed another problem.
Uh-oh. The fuck is that? It's a bad RAM stick or RAM slot or something. Let's see if there's something on this drive. This drive feels like the cheapest drive ever. It feels like I could just snap it with my bare hands. But we're gonna see what's on it. This is taking a long time to boot. Maybe the drive is dead. Okay, so the computer is not booting from the SSD. I got a copy of OS X Snow Leopard here. We're gonna see if we can install a fresh operating system on that SSD. So if you want to boot off of the USB, you press Alt as the computer boots. Okay. This is kind of funny. I wonder how that happened. Also, somebody taped over the camera. There's tape all over this computer. At least the keyboard seems to be working. The trackpad works. That's good. The keyboard works too. Sweet. Okay. Let's actually load up disk utility. Let's see if the computer sees the SSD. Oh yeah, it actually does. So this computer has a Linux partition. That's interesting. Okay, so we're gonna format the SSD and install OS X. One reason I like getting old random computers is to see what's on the disk, so I'm kind of sad that I wasn't able to boot into the existing installation. Okay, so we're gonna exit out of this. Okay, so we're gonna try installing OS X. Yep. Wonder if this battery is still good. Doubt it. Okay, well this is going. I'm gonna go wash the dishes. Okay, I guess it's time to see whether the camera works. Oh yeah. Oh, hello there. Enjoy our Apple computer. Hell yeah. Okay, so apart from how gross this thing is, and apart from this little dot on the screen, this computer seems to be in a pretty good working order. It has a 2.1 GHz Intel Core 2 Duo. Speakers work. Oh. There's something definitely wrong with the disk drive. Hold on. Okay, so what I'm seeing is that this unit is missing screws. I'm gonna try inserting a blank CDR. Jesus Christ. Why the hell is this thing so tight? Jesus H. Christ.
This thing is super tight. Well, here goes nothing. Yeah, there's no way. Nope. Something definitely wrong with that disk drive, man. I think that something is out of alignment or something, because this disk is not going in smoothly. We're gonna have to check that out later. So the first thing I wanted to do with this thing before giving it a good clean is removing the stickers. The stickers were pretty hard to remove, and what's worse is they left a really old thick layer of glue when they were removed. So I tried cleaning it off using some alcohol, but that didn't work that good because the glue was so old. So I sprayed some WD-40 on the top cover and left it there for a few minutes. It loosened up the glue pretty good, and it's very gentle so it doesn't harm the plastics. After that I used a toothbrush to scrub it out, and also used a soft guitar pick to kind of scrape the adhesive off, and that worked real good. After that I gave the whole machine a good wipe with a microfiber cloth and some alcohol. That made it so much better to the touch. Afterwards, I checked the battery, and it seemed that the battery only had a cycle count of about 54, which makes it like brand new. So this was a very cheap and satisfying project. And if you like this video, make sure to check out my other videos. I do all sorts of old electronics and retro repairs. Thanks for watching.